everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract audio on a video in CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to extract the audio. This one. So in this video, so you just click on the video. And then in here you can swipe until you can see on the extract audio. Click on it and then please waiting. And in here you can see the audio has been extracted from the audio. So that's how to extract audio from a video on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.